back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey, I'm Simônè Slater. I'm from the blog and YouTube channel Canvas Fashions. Now if you clicked on this video, then you know exactly what we're going to be talking about. I'm going to be reviewing the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. Now I currently have it on my face at the moment, so if you want to see how I get this and what my thoughts are on this foundation, then just keep watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe. And yeah, let's just get started with the video. So the foundation that I'm going to be reviewing and demoing is the Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and I'm in the shade 0910. Now I purchased this foundation on Amazon and it was around $9, which is super inexpensive for a drugstore foundation. And with the reviews online and the hype about this foundation, I was dying to get my hands on it. And when I found that Amazon ships to us and it's super cheap to get to Korea, then I had to order it. So I only ordered one bottle just to test it out and see how I like the foundation, and then I will start purchasing it again. So this concealer is said to have medium to full coverage. It is lightweight, oil-free formula, long-wearing, water-resistant and sweat-proof. So this is a 2-in-1 foundation, so it's supposed to act as a foundation and a concealer. So we're going to put this foundation to the test. So I'm going to apply it to my face using two different methods. On one side I'm going to be using my beauty blender, and on the other side I'm going to be using my Tarte Kabuki brush, so I can just see how it applies to the skin and using different methods. And then I'm going to wear it throughout the day and check back in and show you how it looks on my face. Now if you've been following me for a while, you'll know that I have oily to combination skin, so I get oily in my T-zone. So I'm really excited to see how this wears on my skin, because it is an oil-free formula and it says it is water resistant and sweat-proof. I'm not going to be sweating today, so yeah, so let's see how this foundation does, so just keep watching. Okay, so I've done my eye makeup and my eyebrows very simple because the main purpose of this video is to test out the foundation. So as you can see, I haven't opened it, it's still sealed, and yeah, so we're going to test it out. So I'm just going to pump. What I've seen on YouTube reviews about this, some pump too much, some pump too less, or some just pump enough, and then if they want fuller coverage then they pump more. So I'm just going to pump like maybe, let's see. Okay. These are 3 pumps. As you can see, this is 3 pumps of the foundation. The consistency is quite thick, it's not actually runny. And it looks like it's going to match my complexion perfectly. Now I chose this online based on other YouTubers that are similar to my complexion or wear the same type of MAC shade that I am. Now if you are my shade, I am between the shades NC42 and NC45, and I purchased 0910, so I'm just hoping that this matches my skin complexion perfectly. So what I'm going to do is, on the side of the brush, I'm just going to dot it on my face. So first hand, it's quite a thick consistency, almost not moussey, but a little bit moussey. And then I'm going to blend it in with my brush and let's see what it does. So this is the Tarte brush, so I'm going to stipple it first into the skin and then start blending. Oh, the smell is quite nice. I'm a fan of cinnamon, so it's got almost like a cinnamony smell. I think I put way too much on this side. So first impressions, it's actually an awesome coverage and it matches my complexion perfectly. It matches me perfectly, if you can see the difference. It matches my skin, yay! So that is a huge bonus for me, that this foundation matches perfectly. And I like that it doesn't dry too quickly, so you can still continue to blend. Because what I find with waterproof foundations, I find it blends too quickly. I mean, it dries too quickly and then it's hard to blend. I really love this coverage. If you can see, I've got a lot of pigmentation here, so if I wanted to conceal more or hide the blemishes, then I will apply more. So let's just apply a little. Okay, so now I've used quite a bit of it, so I'm just going to pump one more pump, a small teeny bit, and I'm going to pick up my beauty blender now. This is a damp beauty sponge. I'm just going to dip it into the foundation and then put it on my face. So I'm not liking how it looks with the beauty sponge. I think the beauty sponge is soaking most of the product. Let me see if I put a dots on my face, how it works better. Okay, so this is with the beauty sponge and this is with the brush. What do you think? Which looks better? I think they both look really nice. I actually prefer the brush because it's easier to blend. The beauty sponge tends to absorb it. As you can see, it absorbs most of the foundation, but I really like the coverage. So as you can see, it matches my skin perfectly. Oh, it just looks so nice. I really like the finish of it. Let's see if it does transfer on the hand. So it does transfer a little bit, just a tad. But I really like that the coverage is amazing. So as it says, it is a foundation and concealer, so it does perfect coverage. I think I would have to conceal a little bit on my blemishes here, but I like the way it conceals my under eyes. I will go in with another concealer though, just because I have really dark circles and I like to conceal it perfectly so it's not visible, or maybe I will color correct as well. But I really like the shade that it's given me. I have a very yellow undertone, so I go towards the warmer foundations, and this shade just suits me perfectly. It's not too red, it's not too yellow, and it's not too orange. It just suits my skin perfectly. So I'm just going to go off camera and finish my makeup, and then I'll be back and we can see how it looks when I have a full face. I'll be back. So I'm back after finishing my face, and this is how the foundation looks with a full face of makeup. So I didn't do heavy makeup because the main focus of this video was the foundation. So I give this foundation a thumbs up. Pros are that it blends well, it covers the marks, pigmentation, dark circles perfectly. If you don't want a full coverage, then this foundation is for you. It is also a buildable coverage foundation, so if you want that full coverage glam, then this foundation is amazing. So yeah, I definitely recommend the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I'm in the shade 010, 0910 if you are my shade in complexion, in the MAC NC44, NC45. So yeah, I really love how this foundation looks, and I'm just going to leave it on my face for the entire day, and I'll check back and I'll show you exactly how it looks, whether it creates oil on my face, because I get oily on my T-zone. So I want to see how this foundation wears throughout the day and see where I get oily. I'm not going to blot my face just to see if it does the job as saying it is a long wearing, water resistant, oil free formula. Hey guys, so I just got back from going out and I wanted to show you my foundation because I said I was going to check back. So this is my foundation after a couple of hours. I think it's lasted quite some time. I haven't gotten oily in the areas where I normally do get oily, and I haven't dotted my face with any tissue or anything. So I'm super happy with this foundation, and I hope you enjoyed my review. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell below where you can get a notification every time I upload new videos. I would love to have you part of my YouTube family, and for those who have been subscribed and following me for all these years, love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Have an awesome weekend or week or whenever I upload this video. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.